Alright, in this video I'm going to be replacing the rear door window regulator in a 2006 Nissan Sentra. As you can see, this one's held in with a stick of wood. So first thing you had to do is pop this off, and then take off these two 10mm screws, these bolts here, and then you can pop off the door. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. Okay, with the door cover removed, the next one to take off the styrofoam cover. That's glued on here really good. I'm going to disconnect the switch here, and it'll take the cover off a little bit more. Okay, with more of the styrofoam backing removed, I disconnected the electrical connector to the motor. I just squeeze these two tabs, just open it up and pull it out. And it looks like there's 4 small bolts, these fasteners here. Take those off. Since mine is broken right here, this is where it connects to the regulator. I don't have to raise and lower the window to remove it. So I'm going to take those off. I probably have to take this bracket here off in order to slip it out from this hole right here. Okay, I got the old window regulator and motor removed from out that little hole I showed you before. I've matched it up with the new one. They matched up pretty good, except for this wire here. So we'll see if that wire will fit on the one I'm putting in here. Okay, I got the regulator and motor in here through this hole because I moved this up. I got these, there's another one in there, 2 right there, 2 bolts connecting the regulator to the window. And I got the 4 bolts, 1, 2, 3, 4. The 4 bolts for the motor in place. I'm just going to tighten them down. Now with this one is different because this one has a if I can find it. This one has a wire. The original didn't have the wire. So what I did was I broke off the connector. You might not have to do it. I hope you get the right one. But I broke off the connector. What I'm going to do is I'm going to connector here. I'm going to rewire it to the original wiring. And it'll work because I tested it from here, connecting these 2 wires here, and it works. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Yeah, I got my connections wired. Now I'm gonna operate the window. As you can see, it works perfect. So, next thing to do is just reinstall this cover here and the plastic backing. So here's the finished product. Window, I got the panel on. This is the way the car was sold to me, so did what I could with it. So thanks for watching. Sorry for the noise, somebody's doing some tree work over here.